So here I am, getting back from the office. The day was too hectic and I was so engaged with the time. Oh, I forget. Let me show you myself. Just look at me. I'm looking so gorgeous even after having a long bad day at office. No worries, no worries. Now I am back to my place. I'm back to my peace. So yeah, this is my home. This is my roommate. Hi. And this is me. Hey. We just reached to RPG. But I'm feeling so tired. So I'm going to take some rest. So I'm just sitting down over here. So after taking rest for some time, I get up to my room upside. And I was feeling so hungry, so I decided to make some meal for myself. For that, I'm going to market to buy some veggies and ramens. Yeah, I'm planning to make some ramens. So I need some vegetables like mushrooms, broccoli and blah blah blah. So here are my mushrooms. I took carrot as well, cauliflower, coriander, beetroot, and broccoli and tomato. And I'm asking him for sprouts. Yeah, I like sprouts, so I took that as well. Now, I'm going to buy my favorite ramens from the shop beside my society. Actually, I already know where they used to keep it, so I directly went and took it. Here are my favorite ramens from the Knorr company. Actually, I love all the products from the Knorr. So yeah, I prefer this. With all the stuff in my hands, I am going back to my place. Yeah. Oh, I reached. Again feeling so tired. I don't know why, but nowadays I'm becoming more like a Hansa. But the thug guy. I don't even know how to make ramens, but still I have to make it anyhow. Let's go for it. So I started the making from the chopping veggies. So firstly, I chopped all the broccoli. Then I chopped beetroot. Cut. Then I took some carrot. I chopped it as well. After that, I chopped tomatoes. And while doing this, मैं तो फिर से थक गई. Then I peeled the mushrooms and I systematically chopped them as well. They are my favorite in veggies. So yeah, here are the final look of my chopped veggies. Looking delicious and healthy as well. Then I started cooking from the boiling ramens and boiling vegetables as well. Actually, here in Pune, the GBS virus is getting spread through the food items itself. So doctors are advising us to boil every food item, then intake. So here the water is turning into warm hot and getting bubbles in that. I'm just continuously stirring in that. Same with the ramens. I'm stirring them as well constantly. Now it's time to add more veggies into this. And again stir. Look at the pink color. Oh my god, it's looking so tasty. Now it's time to put some desi tadka in my Korean ramen. So I am adding oil and adding some chopped onions in that to saute. So let's stir it for some time. Now it turns into golden brown. So I am adding some tomato in that. Stirring again. That's important to saute. Now I am adding my favorite thing, mushrooms. Let's saute with this. Strafe, strafe, strafe. Oh, I forgot to add other vegetables. Here are my veggies going into the pot. So now I need to strafe them properly because the vegetables are half cooked. So we need to saute them. Oh, just look at it, guys. The veggies are looking so colorful and delicious. Now it's time to add some magical sprinkles. 1 pinch, 2 pinch, more pinches. Here is the turmeric and the masala I brought from my hometown. Now it's time to add some chili sauce. Oh my god, it was tough to open the lid by one hand because I was just shooting from another hand. So basically I was just struggling and jingling with cooking and shooting. Yeah. Then I finally added the boiled ramen with some hot water. So here is the final look of my ramens. Yeah, so delicious, so yummy, just looking like a wow. Oh my god. Just finally I made it anyhow. So here I am showing my pretty bowl with the full of healthy, yummy and colorful ramens. Oh, let's say Bismillah wala barakatillah and so yummy, so delicious. Oh, you made it, Rifat. Hi, finally. I was so hungry and tired. Now I'm having a bite of heaven. It's actually tasty. Oh, here is my mushroom. My roommate just looking at me and smiling. Hi. Yeah, this is for today. Thank you so much. Bye.